As you can see, that's the washing station. And then when you walk into the buffet, you have scoops. That's ice cream. Free, by the way, for everybody. And we got the second Cafe Baccio. Take a look at the desserts. Everyone's taking pictures. Let's go find out what's happening over here. Look at that. So that right there is the head chef. He's making sure everything is prepared. So we're about to be open for lunch. So whenever you're on your cruise, your last sea day is when the buffet is gonna have something called the Extravaganza. That's a lot of shrimp. See, everyone's taking pictures over here. We got a line. 10 out of 10, I love it.
Food and service.
The buffet crew worked very, very hard on this lunch, so it looks really, really good. See all of the folks around here running crazy. Hello, hello. Hello, chef. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Fantastic. Thank you for the buffet.
Thank you very much.
Looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Amazing. There's the meat station, so it looks like they're cutting some chicken. So that looks like a roasted pork leg. Roasted pork leg. Or the beef capron, horseradish. So this is where you can get your meats. A whole bunch of different meat. Turkey, ham, looks like brisket. We got some chicken. A lot of different stuff right here. So I'm gonna walk you around. As you notice, the buffet got a lot busier before it was open. So again, this is kind of almost normal-ish lunch. I mean, I wouldn't say super normal because there's not as many people here on the normal days, but I mean, when we're talking extravaganza lunch, as you can see, it draws a big crowd.
Something sweet to make your day sweet. After eat coconut, carrot cake, mango cake.
So after desserts, we have some fruits, some marshmallows. There's a bunch of different bread over here, and a whole bunch of different rolls. The berry crumble. Let's see what this is. That's vanilla bread pudding. And then this is berry crumble right here. So you can pick your sauces right there. And then grab your pasta right over there. Some noodles. Beef curry, so it's an Indian section. And then we got dal and vegetable masala. On this side over here, we have hummus, a whole bunch of different bread and hummus, spinach hummus, beetroot hummus, tzatziki sauce, or you can grab yourself, looks like you can even get a custom sandwich, as you can see over here. They can make it whatever you like. So that looks to be like a Greek salad right here, as well as fusilli salad. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. Enjoy it. So that's right there is fusilli salad, and that's some Greek salad. Coleslaw salad, and then this is a seafood salad right here. So that's smoked salmon right there, and then that's beetroot salmon right over here. Beetroot salmon, never heard of that. No, that one, the red one right there, it says, look, it says beetroot salmon. I never heard of that.
What is that, salmon? Smoked salmon?
That's smoked salmon, and that's beetroot salmon. Have you ever heard of beetroot salmon?
No.
No? You gotta try it, no?
I don't think so.
So you can get yourself all the shrimp you want. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. So right over here we have a whole bunch of different fruits. Good afternoon, how are you? You want to say hi? Thank you for doing this. I appreciate all the work. This is beautiful. Thank you. So again, a whole bunch of different fruit. We have melons, honeydews. There's a pineapple over here. You have bananas. Check out this section right over here. There's fruit for days. Lots of different fruit. We even got raspberries right there. We got raspberries over there. We got blueberries. Honeydew. Hello. How are you? Yeah. There's raspberries, blueberries, bananas, melons, a whole bunch of different fruit right here. We got Black Forest ham over here and Gouda cheese. A little BLT action. That was seafood mac and cheese. And then we got garlic shrimp over here too. That looks very good. Got lobster bisque and chicken soup. That's a blue cheese. Yeah, fried chicken.
Fried chicken, yeah.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Thank you, sir. With some blue cheese. And then we got black salmon with honey mustard. Also looks very good. So if you're sailing on your cruise ship and you were thinking about missing the buffet on your last day, I highly suggest you do not. Very, very special day. Let me walk you around and show you the rest of the buffet. And we'll check out the other side. Fresh pizza being made. Smells delicious. Good morning. How are you? Oh, wow. Look at that. Preparing for the pizza. I'll have to try it later. At the buffet, you can get yourself a seat and come outside. It's a really nice area to enjoy beautiful views. It's a little windy out there, so I don't want to take you out right now. But if you notice, you can grab your food, come outside over here, and enjoy the beautiful view. So let's check out the drinks over here. So we have apple juice, iced tea, ocean passion orange guava, orange juice, lemonade, and a whole bunch of fruit punch. There's also coffee, teas, milk, hot water, and all your stuff right here as well. Remember, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. And of course, I'll do my best to answer. I have a ton of other videos in the Celebrity Apex that you're gonna wanna make sure you check out. I'll link those for you above. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.